Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your hats because you are about to witness the future of ad making. That's right, my fellow time travelers. Buckle your butts because it's the year 2024. We're living in the future because I'm about to build a video ad with AI for you to see. Okay, in this ad, I'm gonna use 3 different AI tools to do the following. Help me find customer pain points, turn those pain points into a draft script, and then turn that script into a rough, quick video ad. All right, I'll use an imaginary candle company called Fresh Candles or something like that as my example throughout. Okay, get ready, my little robots, because this is about to get really artificial. Wait, scratch that. Let's just get this thing started, okay? Chapter 1, use GigaBrain to quickly find customer pain points. GigaBrain is an AI tool that scans billions of discussions that are happening on Reddit and other online communities to find the most useful posts and comments based on your inquiry. So for my search over here, I'll just type in pain points with buying candles online. And then voila, it provides me with a TLDR summary that highlights the most relevant threads. Based on that, I actually have some creative angles that I could hit on my target audience's pain points. I can talk about how my candles have non-toxic ingredients, shout out soy candles. They're made by a small business that they can support, and my customers don't have to worry about overbuying or accumulating too many candles that they don't want. Perfect. All right, thank you, GigaBrain. Chapter 2. Use a custom GPT to create tailored ad scripts. Okay, so next I'll go to chat.openai.com/create and build my own GPT. I'm gonna tailor this to be more helpful in ad scripting. I just have to start a conversation, give it some instructions, add some extra knowledge, pick what it can do, and then get some scripts written. In this case, I'm gonna ask it to make me a GPT who is a performance marketer who writes scripts for ads on Meta and TikTok. I am gonna tell it that it works for an e-commerce company called Fresh Candles. Its target demo is females aged 25 to 35 with disposable income, that its candles are non-toxic, use all natural materials, are handmade by a female-owned small business, and that the brand is warm, inviting, and has a neutral color palette. Okay. The builder is going to create a name and an image for my bot and follow up with some, refinement questions like what should be emphasized in the scripts? How do I want the tone to sound? What personal touches or specific messaging do I want? Other stuff like specific examples or themes to start an ad script. I'll just enter in the stuff I grabbed from GigaBrain, and it provides me with some suggested prompts based on my inputs, and I can select an option to create a meta ad focused on our eco-friendly candles. All right, and now we have a script. It's not perfect, but it's a workable first draft. Chapter 3. Use Capwing to turn the script into a video. Okay, this is where things start to get really wild. Capwing is a content creation and video editing tool with a ton of AI features. There's some other tools that you can use. I actually really like Veed, but here I'm just gonna copy and paste my script from my custom GPT into Capwing, and it's gonna automatically create a video. It gives me images, animations, videos, voiceover, and subtitles to match each section. Okay, while this is a bit stock photo looking, I mean, that's kind of what I expected. This could actually be pretty good B-roll for a real ad. I could easily replace some of the images with our branded images. I could fix up the text, maybe change the audio just to fit the brand, maybe have it feel a little bit more custom. But this is definitely an impressive rough draft that could become a real ad, 100%. So Reza, the CEO of Motion and my boss's boss, when we were giving a live stream on these tools and this workflow, he made a great point when we were discussing AI ad creation. He said, don't just wander around with AI in your creative strategy. Focus on a painful, time-consuming part of the process and then use AI as an assistant. So, which part your creative strategy workflow could use a little bit of AI love? Take a look at this chart. Think about it. This chart's really helpful in figuring out all the different steps to creating your ad. Then go test some tools out, maybe some of the ones I mentioned in this video. Save yourself some time and start creating some more winning ads. Now it's time for me to go be a robot.